Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Mercedes-Me charge access and billing, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Mercedes-Me charge access and billing, begin by ensuring you have your Mercedes-Me account. Log into your Mercedes-Me account via the official website or app. Navigate to the charge section on your dashboard. Select the option for managing your existing charging access. Look for the transfer access or similar option within that section. Click on it to initiate the transfer process. You will be prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to transfer access to. Make sure to input the correct email address to avoid any errors. Next, review the terms and conditions provided for transferring access. Read through the details carefully to ensure you understand the implications. Once you're ready, confirm the transfer request. The recipient will receive an email notification about the transfer. Instruct the recipient to check their email for further instructions. They will need to accept the transfer within the given time frame. Once they accept, their account will be linked to the charging services. Confirm that the transfer has been successfully completed in your account. You can do this by checking the charge section again. If you encounter any issues, refer to the support section of the Mercedes-Me website. They can provide assistance with any problems during the transfer process. Keep your account information secure throughout this process. Follow all prompts carefully to ensure a smooth transfer. After completion, both you and the new user will be able to access charging services accordingly. That's the complete guide to transferring your Mercedes-Me charge access and billing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.